it is Sheri from Southern Roots, and we have had a blast this month doing a Back to Basics series. Though, last week I did not get my video posted because it was a super crazy week. I have several birthdays in the month of August, so yeah, I'm usually pressed for time. But anyway, for this week, which is going to wrap up this series, I am going to show you how to take a cake mix, a can of frosting, some eggs, water, and oil, and a touch of powdered sugar, and make something super delicious and super easy, and something that you may not even think could be done. But anyway, before we start, guess what? I gotta head to Walmart and pick up some ingredients, so here we go. Up our Back to the Basics series. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll subscribe, like, share, comment. We will comment back, and join us next month for the slow cooker series. You guys have a great day.